This we are gonna talk about how to find winning and top selling product for any kind of drop shipping. So how you can find the winning and the top selling products for your drop shipping stores. So with so many products out there, there are couple of numerous of drop shippers hard to know which product to drop ship. So therefore in the past we will guide you about the steps to find winning and top selling product for drop shipping, criteria of winning drop shipping product and top selling products. So not all the products are suitable for drop shipping. Before start selling, there are several criteria you should keep in mind. It should be in reasonable price. Impulsive purchasing is the tendency of a person buying products without planning in advance, and it plays a massive role in drop shipping. To take advantage of this rather popular tendency, make sure that you do price a product, you don't price a product too high. Portable and non-fragile items is the other idea for you to avoid selling heavy and large items because they often introduce high shipping price. So avoid these non-branded products is the other idea we should avoid. Selling non-product high quality products, it should be problem solving, and you can find the top selling product for drop shipping through niches and the trending topics. What are the trending? It will be a top selling products like in winter sweater jackets or the seasonal. So it will be a trending for you. That surely be a niche for you. So Google Trends